We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a Canon image class MF445dw. So, when you are using your tray, you want to make sure your adjustments are at the correct size for the size of paper you're using at the time. And then also, they have these little tabs. You never want to fill above these tabs. If you do, the paper will be too tight and the printer will not be able to pick it up, or it'll pick up too many pages at one time and result causing a jam. So just make sure your adjustments are set the correct way and you don't fill over this little line. Another good thing to do when you need to add paper to your tray, if you already have paper inside of it, go ahead and combine it with your new paper. And then I always like to fan it out. The condensation in the air sometimes makes the pages stick together. So fan it out, then align it, and stick it in your tray. If you stick it in your tray without aligning it, a lot of times the top paper will be not at the same adjustment. So then the printer will then pick up the bottom paper and result picking up too many pages at once, causing a jam. So those are the techniques I like to use. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brad a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.